Where am I?
Welcome to the Ant Kingdom. I'm Chris, and we are Abuos. This is our colony. Move it, move it, move it. Move it, move it, move it.
Ooh, you must be the boss.
There's no boss around here. We just work. We do it for the colony.
Are those eggs? Where'd it come from?
The queen.
Wow. All of it?
Yes.
Wait! So, how do you guys know how, what, and where?
We have chemical signals called pheromones.
Cell phones?
Pheromones. Pheromones.
What's happening?
We're building a house to protect our eggs. So when the rain comes, we're safe. We'll save food too.
But why?
It's all part of the plan.
You guys are awesome! And small.
You think so? But remember this. Even small creatures can achieve big things when they help and support each other. By working together, we can do anything. Banoy, anak ko, ayan na nga tan.
I need to go back. I think my mom's calling me. I had the best time with you guys. Bye-bye!